One day is all it takes to change a fortune. Anyone can be a brand. Everyone is a brand because each one is unique in their own way. I wanted to know if there is any system at all that will put my hard-earned money into real work.
Asking a question from all of you. How many of you want to live a joyful and purposeful life?
Hey there, everyone. Welcome to yet another episode of Fortune Talks. Yes.
Hi, Satish.
So today,
Hi, Chetna.
hi, Vivek. Hi, Chetna.
Hello.
Hello. So today's Fortune Talk is actually very focused. It's about as focused as it can get, okay? It's focused on how to start your podcast in less than 60 minutes. And this actually, because we have got Amit ourselves a podcaster, a coach, a podcaster herself, who's got 2 podcasts to her credit, Chetna, okay? And her 2 podcasts are known as, names of these podcasts are Impact and Influence and Her Voice. And who better than anyone other than Chetna to guide us the way, to find us the path towards getting our first podcast within the first 60 minutes. Can we do that? Are you game for it? So
Wait.
Yes.
Satish, did you say how can one podcast in less than 60 minutes?
60 minutes, Vivek.
Wow.
Come on. So let's dive in.
Super excited. Yes.
Great.
Let's dive in.
So let me ask the question straight across, okay? Today's stage is for Chetna. So question first one, number is to you this. Chetna, how can one become a podcast in less than 60 minutes? And that too with basic things, how one can create a podcast of their own. Please let us know.
Fine. Thank you, Satish, for asking. And first of all, a big hello to all the viewers who are watching live and who would be watching later. A happy Sunday to all of you. And coming to your question, Satish, what does it require to start a podcast? So I think you just need one phone, and an internet connection. That's it. Right. And if you have your hands-free, what I'm using, that's more than enough to start within this next 1 hour.
Oh, wow. A phone and an internet connection.
Phone, internet connection, and the earphone. That's it.
And earphone. That's it. Okay.
Yeah.
Great.
So, first of all, I think as Satish was introducing me, I think I would like to share a bit about my journey about podcasting. How did I start and why did I start and all this stuff. So all of you are aware that last year, due to pandemic, all were at home, right? So total lockdown, and it was in the month of May. I think lockdown started in the month of April. In the month of May, I was just thinking what has to be done. It's been 60 days that we are staying at home. Thinking of what next, because how long this lockdown will be. So all these questions were coming, and in the month of May, I decided, okay, I joined Gopal Krishna's binge marketing session, and there I was supposed to take up some assignment and execute it. And during that weekend is what my podcast picture came into existence. I started podcast workshop, in fact, at that time. But before that, in the month of May, when I was thinking about what has to be done, podcast is the one thing which came up to me. And I didn't know actually, Satish, Vivek, how to start, how to do that. I just plunged in, right? Okay, just let me dive in and see how it would be. And I started, I thought, okay, I have some 5 to 6 people whom I can interview, because interviewing is the best part, it's like to know the journey about others. So when I was thinking about all this stuff, so one thing which stuck with me was my challenges which I faced during that exploration phase. When I was working, I was doing a lot of things, which business to do, what business to do, all this stuff, but I was not getting clarity. I used to go attend and come back. There was not much clarity. So the thought came, why not let me interview the people those who have started their entrepreneurial journey. So our audience will get to know how I mean the aspiring entrepreneurs like me who waited almost many years and did not take action. So those people will get to know what exactly is entrepreneurship. So with that thought, I started without knowing anything, not much details about podcasting. I just dived in, and it's been 10 months, Satish. I have done around 27 episodes, and it's a good to start with. What I feel like, I'm happy for the fact that I didn't stop actually after 6 months or 7 months. So it's just going on, it's progressing. And recently in the month, I mean, this year in the month of January, there was a new thing which came up to me, that was Her Voice. Her Voice is a platform for all the women who want to share their voice. So this is also very close to me because there are so many women who have their lot within them to share. So it's already been 2 months. I've been done with more than 9 episodes with that, and people are so happy sharing their message. It's not about the individual who come as a guest, have so much of knowledge, have so much of journey in their life, that has a immense learning and wisdom in that. So coming back to podcasting, Satish, it is a very beautiful mode of expressing your voice, right? Each individual, nowadays it's not that only the motivational speakers or the general speakers who have their voice to go on the stage and speak up. I don't believe in that. In fact, nowadays the trend has changed, that the people, each individual have their voice to share, and that voice has and I why I started this coaching also is I want each individual to take the responsibility to identify their voice and share it to the world. See, it's not necessary that each individual has to share it to the world. See, majority of the thing is, I usually, my posters, if you have seen, you would as a find your voice and help others to inspire others to find their voice.
Yes.
It is, each individual has their own message, and podcast is the best way to share their message, Satish.
Wow, superb, superb. So now that you're saying podcast is good and the best way to reach out to people with their message, with people's message, how does one go about it? How does one select a topic? Does one need to script a podcast, or how does one go about deciding which topic to focus on, what to talk about, or does one go to a scripting table and script everything and then read it out? How does it happen?
Okay.
Before
Yeah.
Chetna, before you answer that, I think I'm going to make it a little more interesting or little difficult for you. You just mentioned that podcasting is a way to speak your mind out, right? Does it mean that I can just go on a podcast and just talk about my feelings, what I'm feeling today, or my success that I have had today, or is it like so? What is it generally? What do the viewers really like to listen?
Okay. So yeah, I think Satish what asked and Vivek, both of you to answer my question is, I think you as an individual, if you are thinking to start your podcast, for example, Vivek or Satish, you are deciding to start a podcast. So if Vivek, for example, he wants to share his feelings or he wants to share his story, so does it really resonate, that is that message which he wants to share, right? So is he interested to share, or is he going through some bad phase, or if he's going through some challenging phase, so is it because of that he wants to start the podcast? No, right? So podcast, while choosing a topic or while choosing anything which you want to start with the podcasting, first thing is there is a step actually I would like to share here. The first thing is to start list down the things which interest you, which you like, which you love doing it, right? So once you start list down the things, then you go to the next phase, that is identify what are the skills that you have, right? So once you know your interests, once you know what you love doing it, the second thing is what are the skills which you have, whether you have certain skills with which you can start the podcast immediately, or you have to develop certain skills to start your podcast. List down the skills, whether it is matching. Okay. So once you list down the things, then go and match these two things. Which are the skills and which are the topmost? You may get some 10 different lists. Like you may like singing, you may like sound healing. For example, I'm taking a healing part, or you may like speaking, or you may just like writing, right? There may be 10 different lists. So in the left-hand side, if you see your skills, what are you skilled at? So if you narrow down to the top 2-3, then you'll get to know whether you are good as a speaker, or you're good as a writer, or you are good as a healer. So there are so many things which will come up. So when you get these 3 top things, where your passion and the skills, so match these two. Right. For example, when I take my example, I like listening to stories. I like asking questions, right? I like to learn the journey of the other entrepreneurs. So this interest, the learning and asking the questions, there are certain skills which I'm good at. I'm good at communicating to a certain extent, what I believe. So, right. So when I matched my skills with my interests, so interview format came up to me. Right. So this is how I narrowed down and chose my topics. Chose my topic that, okay, why don't I interview the entrepreneurs? So this is an interesting journey, because I enjoy doing that. I enjoy calling to the people, asking them whether they are willing to be a guest to my podcast. I'm interviewing them to learn about their journey, right? Knowing different people, meeting different people was my interest, right? So this is how I narrowed down and came up with one particular topic. So to summarize, Satish, so know your interests and passions and know your skills, right? And narrow down further with the skills and the interests which are in align, and choose a topic from that.
Great.
Okay. So coming to your next part of the question, where you asked like whether it has to be scripted or how it can be a free flow. Okay, if it is your journey, if it is a story about your life, it comes automatically, right? So there is no need to script. You will feel that, okay, if now also, if you ask my childhood days, the school days, my marriage life, my work, the working period, what I did, everything comes automatically, because I have been through that, right? So it does for some people, if they're not good orators, or if they have difficulty, they may have to write. But some people, if they feel and if they share their emotional story, they don't need to make a script. But for the beginners, definitely I would suggest them to script their episodes. At least they have to write for few months until they get the hang on it. Entire script has to be written, right? So because now initially, I'll give my example itself. When I was interviewing the people, initial days, I used to write a list of questions. Now after 3-4 episodes, I was like, I just go with the flow. The people, my guest, how they answer, based on that. I just start asking questions based on that. So it will take time. So for a beginner, definitely the script should be there. Entire episode script has to be written very brief, in detail, so that they can read out. They can just hold the paper and read out the entire episode initially for few episodes. Then they can change it. Coming to the next point, it is about the script itself. So there should be a strong introduction of you as a host. What is the intent of your podcast? Why is that you're doing this podcast? And who is that you want to influence the podcast? Who is that you want to be heard by this podcast? Okay. So that part is very important. And what is your mission? Mission, if mission is a big word, let me put it across. What is that message you want to share? Okay. So then the final part is the conclusion. You have to ask that is what we call as call to action, or a conclusion is very important. Thanking your audience for listening, right? And also asking them if they like. So do share asking them to leave their comments. So these two important, and the body of the mail comprises the entire episode. For example, if you are an individual podcaster and you're speaking about uh, I think it can anyway any topic you can tell. For example, your network marketing, right? So, what is network marketing, and who can take up the network marketing, and what are the different avenues of generating revenue through network marketing? So these are the three things which we can be covered in one particular episode. If it is the first episode, you'll just give a brief intro of what is network marketing and all that stuff, and why a person has to get into network marketing is what you would be sharing about it. So this is about a bit about scripting. So when it comes to scripting, beginners definitely write your entire episode. Keep in mind your intro should be very strong, and your outro should be also be very. I mean, being thankful and grateful for the listeners who have heard your podcast. Be thankful for them. That is the conclusion. And of course, call to action. They can like, share, all that stuff. It definitely would be there. But make sure if you are an experienced guy, or if you want to share your story, or if it is just a daily dose of motivation, something like that, you can just share it the way you would like to, without scripting.
Nice, super.
No, I have one question. Okay.
Yeah.
So Chaitya, you mentioned that for beginners it's good to have a scripting done and all that, right?
Yeah.
For example, I have done one podcast so far. Of course, I have my entire arsenal ready. Okay, I just need to launch all those things. But when it comes to scripting, right? Does it mean that people would it be like just to make it easy for people, right? Our listeners today. Okay, put in your comments what you feel about the scripting thing. What are the best ways you've done it? But when it comes to scripting, does it mean that it has to be like a minimum of 2 minutes or 10 minutes or 20 minutes or 1 hour? Is there a time limit as such that they have to follow?
Yeah, definitely there is a duration format, Vivek. So it depends upon what type of podcast you are into. So before I could tell about the duration, there are different formats. As I told, I follow an interview format of podcast, right? So the second thing is like you can just speak as an individual, right? So you can choose random topics and you can speak about it. The third is like Q&A. So if you are a finance guy, so you can ask your audience to ask any questions and answer those questions. That can be a Q&A format. So there is a Q&A format of the podcast also. So you have to choose, and there are a lot of things like you can speak about food topics, or you can choose the format will be interview format, Q&A, or the generic topics. So I've just narrowed down to 3. So there are many other things which you can follow, but these 3 are simple and simple to follow. Awesome. So when it comes to duration part, so interviews, when you're interviewing the people, it depends. It can go up to 30 minutes to 1 hour, right? So, and if you are doing an individual podcast, or if I'm speaking something about personal development, so I'll choose a topic and I'll be speaking for 10 minutes. So those kind of topics can be 10 to 15 minutes. So there will be a duration of 15 minutes, 30 minutes, or 60 minutes. So you have to choose the kind of the topic what you've chosen, and also about the topic, and also the audiences. Keep in your mind what sort of audience you're targeting. Awesome. So if a person is an aspiring entrepreneur and if he's willing to learn about networking, obviously they would listen to the interview which I would have done with a network marketer. Right. Correct. So if it's a person who is working on personal development, then he might be looking, okay, he wouldn't have the 1 hour time to sit and listen, or he might be have 10, 15 minutes. So understand your audience. Who is that you want your podcast to be heard? So based on that, you can decide about the duration of your podcast.
Awesome. Very, these are like the value bombs, podcast bombs, these are. Right, what bombs. So Chaitya, you know what? I think what we decided in April as part of the offering from Fortune Changes to the Fortune Talks, is it possible for us to show something live, right? Basically, the tools or the things that are required for recording or editing, or basically to do a podcast. What are the tools, and is there something that you can actually show because we talk and it's kind of good, but let it go with something that can be seen as well.
Okay, let me try to share my screen. So before I could share the screen, the listeners ke liye, I would just want you to be with the flow. Right now, what we covered is identifying the podcast topic, how to script your topic, and what is the duration of the podcast, right? These are the three things. So the next task, what Vivek has asked me the question is, how do I record, or what are the tools and softwares? So there are different tools, in fact, to record, but the one which I use is, one second. Can I share it now? Okay.
That's exactly what our listeners are waiting for, to see something that you can do.
Okay. So before sharing, again, I would like to continue with this. There are, when it comes to the softwares, there are different softwares, editing softwares. The first thing is you have to record. So for recording ke liye, you can either use Audacity or GarageBand. Audacity for Windows and the GarageBand is for Mac platform there. So the next is once you, okay, do you want me to repeat, Vivek?
Yeah. So let's put it in the comment. What it is. It's Audacity, Audacity.
Yeah. It is Audacity,
Okay.
Audacity, and GarageBand for Mac users.
Mac users. Okay.
So yeah, these are the two things where you can record and edit the entire audio or entire podcast. So don't worry. So these are the free softwares which are available. Then the things which I'm sharing with you, all of you, it is all the softwares and all the platforms are free of cost, right? For a beginner, you start with use this free software so that you will get an hang on that whether you really want to start your podcast. Right.
Correct.
So once you get that hang on it, then you start. There are a lot of paid softwares also if you want it the further ke liye, the pro and all those users ke liye. Then coming to the next part is you may need just a hands-free like this, or there are a lot of other speakers which are available. So to name a few, I think for beginners, it is what I can tell is Audio Technica ATR 2100. Is the one which, okay, do you want me to type or
Yeah, it was just like
AUDIO
Audio
Technica
Okay.
ATR 2100.
Okay. What is this?
Okay. This is a mic for the mic. Okay. For beginners, I would not recommend, but if people have done 6 months of recording, then you can just go for it. Otherwise, if you are ready to, if you want to invest initially, then you can go ahead. Then there is something called a Samsung Q2O.
Okay, that's also another one. Okay.
Yeah, this is all for the beginners. What I'm recommending.
Okay.
So these are the two things, and the softwares, as I told you. And where do I publish my podcast?
Yeah.
My what are the softwares to use for editing and recording? The second is the mic which I need to record my podcast. Third is the platform where I can host my podcast. So there are again n number of platforms, among which the Anchor is the one which is available for free. There are many other platforms which gives free for 1 month, 2 months trial versions. So the Buzzsprout, Anchor. Personally, I am using Anchor as of now. So, so this is a platform where I'll host my podcast. Means I'll record and edit, and I'll put my audio into this particular platform.
Wow. So could you show us how it looks?
Yeah, I'll just share my screen now.
Yeah, while you do that, on a funny note, okay, so Satish and Chetna, when I've been recording videos, okay, for my courses or my live videos or the Zoom sessions, so many I keep having, right, with my student community and my clients and customers, where I sit, sometimes it echoes a lot, right? So I keep wondering, how do I do that? And I went through, I did a lot of research. This thing that go for a Cavalier mic or that mic or this mic, which has a the echo cancellation capabilities, that this and all that. I'm like, hey, it's good, and I think it costed not too expensive also, but not too cheap as well, right? So I have ordered for one. It's still I'm yet to receive it. I'm very excited to receive it. But meanwhile, I'll tell you one quick hack I used. Okay, you might actually find it funny, and
Yeah,
all
a
I
plan.
did was I just got all the pillows from my room and from the other room, and where I was sitting, right, I just arranged the pillows around my laptop. Okay, and the echo kind of got shot down by 50%, but still it was
Wow.
echoing. All I did was I pull the mattress from there and I put it in this room, and it came out very well. So there are always these hacks that you can follow. Um, what I'm trying to say is you don't have to wait for perfection
Yeah.
for you to
Yeah.
start. As what Chetna said that one day she decided that she has to start, and she's done like 27 podcasts in just 6 months' time. Not an easy task, not an easy thing, right? But she's
Yeah.
still able to manage. So it's just that the only difference is that just start acting on it now.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah, great.
Superb.
Let me share.
So use pillows, guys.
Superb.
So Chetna, are you able to see the screen?
Yeah. Can you guys see my screen?
No, you have to share it. The share. There's a button at the bottom. Share.
Okay. Now this is sharing.
At the bottom, there is mute, stop camera, camera mic, share, invite.
Not
Plus.
able to actually.
Can see it?
I can see, but the share option is not.
Okay, I think it depends on the browser that you've joined from, perhaps, Chetna. Okay, so
I
if you've joined from Google Chrome, it should work, right? So you have because we are streaming this live using StreamYard, right? So there
Yeah.
you have the option down says mute, stop cam, then cam and /mic, and then share button. Once you click on the share button in the StreamYard screen, that's where I think it's coming up now. It's coming up now.
Yeah. Yeah.
Good,
It's
good,
coming.
Okay. Okay. Can you all
Yes.
see? So once
Yes.
we log into Anchor, you have to go to the new episode, and here this is an option for record. So this is one of the way, because you can record and then record directly in Anchor, or you can directly record in Audacity also. So here this is what I'm just recording. So start recording now. Okay, so now it's getting recorded. Whatever we are trying, this is the test for all the viewers. What I'm recording in the Anchor. So this is for around 11 seconds now. Stop recording. Can you guys, if you're not able to see, please let me know.
You can see.
We can
So-
see the screen, Chetna, but we didn't find a place which said, start recording. What we're able to see is that, Anchor FM dashboard,
Okay.
right? And we're able to see new episode, dashboard episode, save, all those things. So any device, they can just use Anchor.fm and log in, right? It does not have to be an app or something.
No. It is just Anchor.fm. They can log in.
Okay.
And okay, guys, there's some issue. Might be whatever I'm showing, it's not able to.
No problem. No problem.
Okay.
See, this is exactly what we're trying to say. Even though you have some technical issues, dear viewers, you cannot stop yourself from doing something. All
Okay.
you need to do is just close that window, again reset. I'm telling basically how we as Fortune Changers have come around and come up with our whatever we are offering is that we refuse to go back. We refuse to go down. We do whatever it takes to make sure if we have to record an episode, it has to be out. It has to be out. As simple as that. Which means that hey, something is not working. Okay, shut it down, restart, find another system, do something.
Okay. I'll try for the last time. If it works, we will go ahead. Otherwise,
If not, what I can do, Chetna, is that I can share my screen and you can talk about it. You can talk through.
yeah, that would be better.
Give me
Can
guidance.
you
Give me guidance. Sure. I'm just logging into Anchor FM now.
Yeah.
Sure. Sure. Just a moment. Let me. I'll share my screen now. Okay.
It's not visible yet.
I'm about to do that now.
Okay.
Okay. Are you able to see?
Not
Yes.
yet.
Okay. So I think it's just a bit of a lag time that is happening.
Yeah. Okay. So now, Vivek, can you go to that new episode?
Okay. Here, new episode, right? Okay.
Yep.
Good. Okay.
Start. You can record. Hit the record button.
Oh, that's all. Directly, I can record here. So even if someone
Directly
does
you
not
can
have,
record, but the challenge would be it should be at a stretch. So it will be a challenge if you have to edit it all. So this is just to show for the viewers that they can do directly here in Anchor also.
oh wow, okay. So you have record option, library, and then reuse your upload video, and then messages, and then transitions where I can add music and sound effects.
Yeah,
This is so cool. This is so cool. Okay. So what we'll do now is that I'm going to click on record, right?
Yeah.
Chetna?
Yes. Hit the record button.
So then
Now
I get a message saying, wants to use your microphone, I will allow it. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, you can start recording now.
Super. And the input is, I can just leave it as external microphone,
Keep
which
it
I
as
press.
default. Yeah.
Okay. Then I click on the start recording. All right.
Yeah.
Okay. So this is my account. So I'm going to talk a little bit now. Yeah.
Yeah.
Hey. Welcome to Vivji's channel. Though my all my podcasts and all the information I would love to share, and I would love that you hear too, is all about finance, is all about money, all to simplify money for you. But this is one of my first few episodes that I'm recording using Anchor.fm, and my very good friend Chetna, and also who is a podcasting queen, she's guiding me how to do that. So I'm just doing this as a testing. So stay tuned for more finance news, but this is just for your testing, and let me know if you like my voice. Okay, send me and share some more love with me. All right, thank you so much. See you soon. Bye.
Awesome.
That's it.
Okay, I'm gonna click on stop recording. Okay.
Yeah. Then
wow. Okay.
Then you have to just
You can rename it that introductory podcast from Vivji.
yeah.
And then
Okay.
you can say save. Introductory intro.
Let's say,
Intro.
did you like
My voice.
Vivji's voice?
Yeah.
Test
Okay.
and test.
Yeah. Right.
Okay.
Once it is processed, drag it to your episode this side.
Okay.
Towards-
So right now it's still processing, right, Chetna?
Yeah.
So I got to just
Yeah.
wait for. It's done, I think now. So I
Yeah.
found a plus button, so I can just say
Yeah.
add
No.
episode. Okay.
So now here you can add music.
Okay.
Scroll it instead. Yeah, click the three buttons is then that music icon is come, no?
Okay.
Just
So
click
I
it.
see a plus in this one, so which says add background music. Okay.
Yeah.
I can click on it.
Yeah, anyone, first one you can select calm, anything.
Oh, here I can listen to also.
Yeah, you can listen. Might be you are not shared the audio part, so we are not able to listen. That's
This
fine. You
is-
can select.
This is like really cool. So I don't have to bother about downloading some other background file. Nothing.
No, it will be everything is inbuilt. And if you don't like any of the music, then you have to download the other music.
Nice.
Select
Okay.
and
Okay.
anyone you can select. Click on that. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. So I'll select this,
Yeah.
and then I come down and say apply.
I can
Right.
just reduce the volume. Yeah. Then you can apply.
Oh wow. Okay. So this is the volume of the background score, right?
Yeah,
Chetna?
yeah. Yes.
Okay. Very
So
nice.
once it is done, then I think we need to wait for that. Yeah.
Save episode.
Episode you can give.
I'll change this
Save.
name.
Save episode. Yeah, you can.
Okay. Vijay's first podcast.
Yeah.
You stay tuned for more money news. Yeah.
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 Awesome. I'm so excited, Chetna.
Okay, now go
and,
back, go on the top and save episode.
Save
and
episode.
then click on save episode. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Now here you have to give the episode title, what you're talking. It's an introduction, Vivji's intro or something.
Vijay just did a test of his voice in the Fortune Talks show.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And a description about your episode.
Okay.
Scroll down, a description, small description. You can copy paste the same thing. For time being, this is to show.
Okay. I just copy from here and I just put its description. Okay.
Yeah. Scroll down. See, publish. Either you can publish, can scroll up. Yeah, publish you now,
Date.
or you can just schedule it. So, for example,
I can
if you have
see it for some other
recorded
day.
and you want to schedule it next week, you can schedule it on next Sunday.
Wow. Okay.
So
That's
right
so
now, let
cool.
it be now itself, so that you can select any date and you can just do it. So
Okay.
here there is an option of you have to create an art. So
Okay.
whether what is relevant to your podcast topic, if it is finance, if it is an interview. See, what I do is I take a picture of the my guest and mine, both the pictures I'll put, and I'll create a different art for that. So you have to create an art. You can use it. You can use Canva for that. Take pictures or images from the Google and with relevant to your podcast topics and create an
Okay.
art. So to the right side again, there is a season. So if you want to make it as a seasons, like a quarterly
Season
one, yeah,
Okay. Season. Okay.
One.
season 1, and it is episode 1.
Episode 1.
Yeah.
Wow. This is so cool. This feels like I'm recording another Game of Thrones entire season episodes. Nice. Okay.
So scroll down and save. Sorry, scroll up. Publish now.
Scroll up and save. Publish.
Up.
Up. Okay.
Publish now.
But
Now-
if you have to upload a new episode art, right?
Ah.
Let me just pick up just to show
Yeah,
audience here
if you have
today.
any image, you can just upload a picture.
I
Yeah.
do have some,
The picture.
few things, right? Sorry, this is not good. This is not the right one. So I'll just use a default picture of mine.
Yeah.
Is it okay? Or is
Yeah.
is there a particular thing that you say that we need to
Format,
have?
see this,
Ah,
okay,
good.
this you can put it.
Just
Okay.
the center part.
Yeah.
This I did earlier today for something. I'm just using this. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right. And then I'll just click on publish now.
Yes.
Okay.
So once you publish,
Hmm.
it's publishing, let it publish.
So,
So
the
go-
question is, where does it get published? Chetna?
So once it gets the anchor, once you publish any podcast in this platform or any platform, in fact, there is something called as RSS feed. So RSS feed is something which is a web feed for us. It is an address for our podcast. So anyone who is searching for my podcast, that feed will say whatever updates are happening that in that particular my podcast, that will be the one. In fact, if I have to tell, it is the address of my podcast. Simple language. Okay.
Okay.
So once that is generated, so then Anchor is what it does. It publishes this podcast in different directories. So directory means like Spotify, Google Podcast, Apple Podcast. So these are the different directories where this platform will publish by itself. You don't have to do it manually.
Okay.
Okay, so this
Okay.
is how you have to complete the settings. In fact, so now I think it is showing up.
Okay. I just picked up something, right? So here, and I'm just scrolling up. So here, there are a lot of categories here, right? Podcast category. So I can choose anything. It's arts and
Yeah,
then business,
finance, business, entrepreneurship.
then comedy, education, okay, fiction, history, health and fitness. Wow, kids and family, leisure.
I can select anyone.
Okay, I had used another platform for my podcast that I had done, but you know what? I'm loving this. This is like really like so powerful, so quick, right? So I'll click on education how to. Is it okay?
Yeah. So this
Okay,
is it.
and I needed to pick up a language,
Yeah.
right?
English.
I'll just pick up English United States and click on continue.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, this is for your podcast main theme के लिए. You can just put the same thing.
Okay. Okay.
See,
Just
that is for the episode which you put, the art which you have uploaded, that is for that particular episode. This is
Okay.
for your whatever Virji's. Okay, one breakthrough. This is fine.
Yeah.
Yeah.
add just few things. So whatever you say. Oh, and I can change the font here, and I can do the
Font.
alignment and all.
Correct. You can make it side. See, a lot of things to learn. I mean, it's user friendly, and you can just by seeing, you can just do it. A lot of things you can explore. Yeah.
Wow. Okay. So I clicked on update cover art. Okay, Chetna?
Yeah.
Okay.
Now go back to your let it happen.
I
Then
click
go
on this. Okay. So
save. Cropped.
ready to distribute your podcast. I think it's done.
Yes. Click on yes.
Right. And then yes, distribute my podcast. So what happens if I click? It'll distribute to where?
Yeah, it will be distributing to all these podcasts which are available: Google Podcasts, Apple Podcasts, and the Spotify. It will distribute to all these directories. What you are about to be showing. There are 7 directories which will be directly getting uploaded instantly. So it will not instantly. I can tell it will take some 5 minutes to 10 minutes for certain things, but otherwise it does on its own. Once you upload, you can't.
Wow.
So that's a good thing, in fact, for you can say
Hey,
a
sir.
distribute podcast.
I'll do that. But Satish, you remember me and you, we were discussing, right? We were thinking, hey, if I record an audio, we have to, individually go to so many platforms and have to keep updating. We don't have to do that.
Yeah.
Right?
One
Amazing, yaar. Okay, good. I click on yes, distributes. I think something went wrong. It's okay. It happens.
Yeah.
I'll click on retry.
Okay,
Okay,
thanks.
submit your proposal for distribution. Okay, thanks.
Okay.
That's it.
This is
Now
all it is?
directly you can share this to your Facebook, Twitter, or you can just copy link. If you want to promote this through WhatsApp, through your directly send to your friends, you can copy the link and share it. So
Nice,
this
nice.
is
Wow. Okay. So
You can
in my
just
test,
click on Facebook, Vivek. So we
I
can
did that. I did that. I'm actually on Facebook page. Are you able to see?
no.
No, right? Okay. I think because I have, let me stop sharing this now.
Okay.
Okay. And I will start sharing the screen again. Hey, Chetna, you know what? You made my podcasting life so easy. Thank you so much.
I
Thank
told
so
you,
much.
like within 60 minutes, you can launch your podcast.
Wow.
It's just 45 minutes we started, so you're already done.
Yes.
Okay, so you able to see this now?
Not
Share the
Satish
screen.
can.
Share the screen.
Okay, I'm actually sharing this tab already. Let me know.
Uh-huh. Okay. Okay. Yes. Yes.
Thanks, so Satish and Satish Abundance Rao, right? Okay, and Chetana.
Yeah.
Post on Facebook.
What I generally use is I use these emojis, right? And then I just publish it, right? Whoa, it's done. I've already
Done.
post it.
Congrats. So first podcast within
First
45
episode.
minutes. We are done.
Nice.
Can you play that?
Yes. Okay, now how do I do that? I can click on. Are you still able to see my screen?
Episodes?
Yes.
Yeah, we can see. Go to episodes.
Episodes.
I'll go
episodes.
to episodes. Okay.
Yeah, play it now.
Yeah.
Okay, this is the one. Okay.
Yeah.
How do I play?
Scroll down.
I think
Scroll
go back. Go back.
down. Scroll down.
It's actually saved in the other name, I think. It's a draft name, I think.
Yeah, now you can play.
Ah, it's there. Okay, perfect, perfect.
Okay, I'm playing now.
Yeah, no. Can we hear?
Hey, welcome to Lindsay's channel. Do my all my podcasts and all the
This is like mind blowing. This is mind blowing. Thank you, Chetna.
As simple as it. That's it. So we are done.
Great, great. So, last two quick questions. One is about where does one promote these podcasts? Number one question, and second question is if you can quickly show where does he make the posters? Those 2 points you cover and you're done. That's it.
Can you repeat the question, Satish?
First is where all does he promote the podcast, and second is how does he make the artwork for the podcast? Just these two things covered.
Okay. So as I was just telling you, like we can use canva.com. So canva.com is the easiest way. You have to have the pictures with you, and then take the pictures and whatever the podcast topic name which you have, post it along with the image. So that's it. We use the Canva for creating your art things and how to market my podcast, right? So just now Vivek did. One of the way he did was he directly shared to Facebook. So, but on his personal page. But the same thing we can start posting in different Facebook groups, right? Relevant to your topic, where the people, if it is for finance, the groups which is relevant to the finance. So you just go to those groups and post this the podcast. And second is all the social media handles which you have. Like it's not only Facebook. You can do it on the same thing. You can share it in the Twitter, in Instagram, and LinkedIn, and Pinterest. See that, but to name a few, these are the few things which you can start with. Or if you want to start with only Facebook and Instagram, it's fine. Do with these two ways. And you can also give a teaser kind of thing by using audiograms. Audiograms is nothing but a clip from your podcast, which you will pick it and then share those things in the social media handles. So that is easy to way. Like you can just mention audiograms, creating audiograms, taking the highlight of that particular podcast topic. It will be, you can select 1 minute audio and start promoting that so that people get to know what is this podcast about. So these are the ways which you can market. And it's not only that you do the podcast, publish it. Okay, I have monthly 3 episodes. I publish it and finish it. You have to reshare the same episodes. So you have to reshare. In past 6 months, if I've done some podcasts, you have to reshare that again. People would have forgot about it. So it's not only a one-time activity; it's an ongoing thing where people will actually get to know. Okay, this impact and influence podcast is going on. Its series is there, right? So it's a repetitive thing which you have to continue for when it comes to marketing, Satish.
Okay, great.
Satish, if you don't mind, I have one question to ask Chetna.
Now,
What we did now is that we immediately recorded this directly live, right? We did a podcast quickly, 1 episode, right, Chetna? But see, for example, I am someone, or Satish, we have a lot of videos that we keep creating on a daily basis, right? And I talk a lot about finance, I think, and I think Satish does a lot on network marketing, and we go live on all those things. And see, when we obviously, along with videos, is always audio attached to it, right? So how can we use that to be made as a an episode in podcast?
Yeah.
See, all I'm saying is, can we save time? Can we use one content and multiply it various content multiplier?
Definitely, you can do it, Vivek. So
Okay.
if you have if you people create a lot of videos, or when there is MP4 files, so that can be converted into mp3. And again, as I told you, it's the same process. Go and edit the file using Audacity or GarageBand, and you can start sharing that everywhere, the same content. And see, podcasting, people think it's not only about the audio. See, you when it comes to the video part, that's a YouTube, right? That is also a sort of where you are sharing your message. So people basically know when it comes to it's an audio blogging. That's it.
And typically people use it when maybe just before going to bed, or maybe when they're cooking or when they're driving. And I
When
think
they're
these days, I think
walking,
all
yes.
of us, whether they're walking, they're working out. Wow,
Correct.
so powerful, Chetna. Amazing.
Nice.
Satish, over to you for your next few questions.
No, that's all. So basically, one last question can be to Chetan to understand why exactly should one do podcasting? What's the advantage that one gets by doing podcasting?
Okay. See, why podcast? As I was just sharing with you, if you are a business person, if you want to add value to your customers, this is one of the way to reach out to them. And podcasting is if you have any message to share. As I was telling you, each and every individual has their own voice, and if that voice has to be messaged or shared, then this is the one of the best medium. And last but not the least, Satish, if you have to build your own brand, if you want to build some credibility for yourself, then podcasting is one of the way. See, there are different ways to add value to your customers. I know that there are different ways to build brand for your for yourself, or if you're an influencer, then you have different ways to do it. But this is one of the way, because if I have to share some data, it is just in India. Basically, it's the listeners has increased to, I think it's around 56 million listeners every year. It's like it's increasing year on year. So India has a huge market for that. And I think now, if you see it, because of last year pandemic, most of them are moved into podcasting. There are a lot of people who have started on their own. So there is a huge so to build a value to your customers, to get connected to your customers, to build credibility for yourself, or to build brand for yourself, podcasting is the only way and the easiest way, I can tell you.
Super. Great. Very good. Very good. Any last comments from you, Vivek?
Yeah, just I think I'm thinking as a I'm acting like a kid now. Okay, because I'm so excited. I got my episode out using
First podcast out.
In the sense using Anchor.
It just happened.
Yeah, it happened on the fly, right? So how can I monetize from this, Chetan? How can I really earn money from podcasting?
Okay. See, monetization for an initial beginner, it will take time, right? So there are different ways. How do a person get monetized? Can monetize through podcasts is when the brand start investing in you. If you have some 10,000, 50,000 followers or listeners every month, then there are brands. It is going to be, I think, 1 billion industry by this year. I mean, the revenue which would be generated in this area, it is going to be that. So basically, how do people generate revenue is by when the brands start investing in your podcast, they start selling their products in your podcast. That's how you will be making money through that. The kind of people, if they buy through using your podcast link or something like that, then that's how you can monetize. But it will take time unless until you reach that minimum listeners or of 10,000 to 50,000. It requires a lot of time, and it should be visible, and you should be consistent in doing your podcast.
That's the key, right? Consistent.
If you're not consistent, then you do once in a month, or after 2 months you do, though you might have listeners that for that particular month. But if you're not consistent, then my podcast may not become in the top list. So that the different criteria which will be there needed for you to monetize. If you really have that message to share, then you start focusing on that start focusing on adding value to the people, right? So what does podcast can do is it magnifies your voice. Your voice should be in such a way that it should infect and affect people. right?
Infect
So-
and affect. Wow. Infect
So
and
that's-
affect. Okay.
That's how your listeners will increase, right?
Okay,
So
okay.
see, I mean, if you go deep into it, if you know what exactly you want through this podcast, so then you'll really identify what are your audience and how you can people will start listening to you.
Okay, another thing is, from the time we've started Fortune Changers, I think it's been 2 years, right? I have been a biggest fan of your voice, Chetan. I think you've got a very good, that sound therapy, perhaps. You have a good control over that, right? How about
Thank you.
people? How about people who doesn't have a good command over their voice? Perhaps they're in the mediocre, or they have a low pitch, right? How is there a way that they can actually work around this, or are you saying that let them go just natural, because through the voice the heart listens? Is that a way?
Yeah, see, Vivek, as you told, most of the people have that thing to start before they could start. What my voice is not like a radio voice, right? I am not like a good speaker. My English is not good. There are a lot of reasons not to start. But if you have a strong reason to share value, to add value to the people whom you really want to, then whether it is your voice is a radio voice or not, it doesn't matter. If you, because as you were just sharing, right, if you know that, I mean, if you share it through your heart, then automatically it will reach to your audience. It is not your tone, it's not your of course there are certain kind of improvement. There will be always scope of improvement. Once you get in, you have to start check on to that and start working on it. But initially don't have that thing, okay, I don't have so many things, how will I start? But once you dive in, start working on it one by one, one by one, you will improvise it.
Perfect. Thank you so much, Chetna. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Great.
Thank you.
Super. Thanks for your input, Chetna, and you really made it work for Vivek. We didn't even plan for it. Suddenly out of the blue, because your laptop gives a problem, so Viv pitched in. Viv G pitched in. He said, "Okay, let's try it." He's already got his first episode out. His first podcast is out. His episode is out. His artwork is out. Everything is done. We should just get it rolling now. That's it.
Yeah, yeah.
That's great.
So we were able to create our first podcast within 45 minutes, not even
Yes.
60 minutes. Yeah.
We lived up to the promise.
Wow.
Yeah.
Great.
Thank you.
So
Thank you
as
very much.
as an outcome, right, Satish, what do you think our listeners, by the way, listeners, please do comment what you
Yeah.
think. Do you think it was easy to create a podcast? You just witness it live. All you can do is go check on it on Facebook, Vivek Gangadhar. You'll be able to see my podcast, which is already published, right? If you want to go check on, Apple Podcast or any other podcast, you'll be able to see it, right? This is how easy Chetna has made it possible for us, right? So, Satish, what do you think as a top one giveaway from this session for our audience who wants to become a podcaster and who can use this for network marketing, perhaps?
Yeah. So I keep saying to people is that it's the best time in the world to be an influencer, and there is a lot of things to be learned from the internet, from the social media. There's also a lot of things to be given, and I think Chetna has shown us the path to give. Whether you're a network marketer, whether you're a business person, whether you're a coach, whether you're a person who's educating people about money, like you are doing, Vivek, you have got a big platform for you, and the best way to reach out to people through this platform is through the way that Chetna showed us through your own podcast. I think thanks, Chetna. It's a wonderful thing that you've done.
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you. Thanks.
Yes.
Amazing. So from me, one thing is, as Chetna rightly mentioned, whatever you want to start, okay, you want to start a podcast, or do you want to start an online business, or do you want to start something online? If you go behind the thought process of, I want to earn money soon, not going to happen.
Yeah.
Not going to happen. You need to maintain consistency, and you need to give a lot of value, right? That's the first thing Chetna mentioned. In case if you want to start your podcast, first thing is figure out, you need to marry off your passion and your skills, right? Once you marry it off and think of the value that you're giving, then only you will have the 10,000, 50,000, people following, because people can, listen from their heart what you talk. So that's one thing from my side. So Chetna, from your side, you would like to quickly wrap up, from the from podcasting queen perspective, what are the queen talks which says about podcast? What should people do in a simplified within 1 minute?
Okay, a simplified way. I think if you really have any message, go all out and start doing. There is nothing to scare about. Be scared, fearful about your knowledge, your skills, or anything. If you really have something to share, this is the right platform for you to use it. And definitely, the kind of scope of opportunities in India, it's growing rapidly. So don't miss this out. And I think the listeners who are there, I think please watch. If you have a message, please go all out as what. That's my final
Great.
thing.